Right, so this week I've jumped all across the project, and the first thing I did, which was based on the feedback we got last week, was substantially revamp most of the user interface and how it looks. So we've now got an actual interface and the return of the placeholders, so I can go like this. More colourful buttons, clearer interface as to what's going on. Then we get to the main view, where again the interface has been substantially revamped with clearer icons for both the feedback survey, now with a question mark, and to manage the plot with a fence that was an attempt to visually tie it to the plots you see on the screen. And then I also implemented the currency system and hooked that up with the PlayFab virtual currency system on the server side, so now all players have these renewable resources, non-renewable resources, and water, which was an idea that the client really liked. And alongside all of that, we have the minigames tray, which is minigames which are now in a little tray that slide in and out. And the little gamepad does vibrate because that helps draw the user's attention towards it. So let's go round up the goats again. I also tried to fix the existing issue with the leaderboards, where it only shows the player ID and not the actual player's name. And as we can see here, it's literally requesting show display name, true, then down in the leaderboard, item for each one in the result, show their display name, show their profile display name, and then their ID, but yet it still only returns their ID, which is fine. And then alongside all of that, I also set up the plot system. Well, I hooked the plot system into the resources system, so now if we go, that needs fixing, here we can plant corn, and you can see that the water ticks down. And similarly, if we go select there, infrastructure, it can also support, say, buildings which use renewable resources as opposed to water, so 8856, 8806. So yeah, minor to moderate improvements across many parts of the game this week.